Alright, so I've got a 99 Ford F150. I think it's a 5-liter engine. Let's see. So I got an error code on it. So it's P1518. So it's not running funny or anything, but that check engine light came on. So anyway, I'm checking for codes to try to figure out what's wrong with it. And some people may not know what these devices are, but this is a OBD2 reader. They use it to scan cars to get the code off of it. And it plugs in right under here. There's a plug right there, and that's what it looks like. And it's under the dash of most any car. Sometimes in other cars they're in other places, but if you look in the owner's manual you can find the location of it. And then you just plug into it with this cable, and this is what this one looks like on this end. So this one would be the I guess the male, as it plugs into this one. So that's the female right there. Anyways, yeah, so you plug it in. Well, you try to plug it in, and then it'll start scanning for codes. So it's scanning. Let me see. I'll press the read button. That's scanning. Got one code in it. Press the read button, and it comes up with that error code. Then you can go on Google and look up the error code and find out what's going on with it. So I'm going to try that now. Hi everybody, Ken from Ken's World. Hey, I just wanted to let you know that I'm posting a link to a video that shows how to fix the P1518 error code on a 1999 Ford F150. In the video, it's actually a 2000 Ford F150, but it should be pretty much the same. I think they're both 4.2 liter engines. But anyways, hopefully this will be beneficial to someone. Anyway, hope you enjoy it, and if you like it, please like and share and subscribe. All right, thanks. Bye.